Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the weekend with the Quran, I'm going to be doing Surah Al-Furqan, ayat number 16 to 25. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Ayat number 16 is Lahum fiha ma yasha'una khalidin kana ala rabbika wa'dam mas'ula. It means that there they will have whatever they wish. So the believers will have whatever they wish for forever, meaning that no, they are not going to die and they are not going to be kicked out of that place. That is the promise to be sought after, binding on your Lord. Ayat number 17 is okay. وَيَوْمَ يَحْشُرُهُمْ وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ فَيَقُولُ أَأَنْتُمْ أَضْلَلْتُمْ عِبَادِي هَؤُلَاءِ أَمْ هُمْ ضَلُّوا السَّبِيلَ. So it means that watch for the day that he will gather them along with what they used to worship besides Allah, and ask the objects of worship, meaning all the idols and whoever else they worshipped, was it you who misled these servants of mine, or did they stray away on their own? So was it you who asked them to worship you, or did they do it on themselves by themselves? Then ayat number 18 is قالوا سبحانك ما كان ينبغي لنا أن نتخذ من دونك من أولياء ولكن متعتهم وآباءهم حتى نسوا الذكر وكانوا قوما بورا. It means that they will say, meaning all those the objects of their worship, they will say, glory be to you, it was not right for others like us to take any lords besides you, but you allowed enjoyment for them and their forefathers for so long that they forgot your remembrance and became a doomed people. Then ayat number 19 is فَقَدْ كَذَّبُوكُمْ بِمَا تَقُولُونَ فَمَا تَسْتَطِيعُونَ صَرْفًا وَلَا نَصْرًا وَمَنْ يَظْلِم مِّنْكُمْ نُذِقْهُ عَذَابًا كَبِيرًا. It means that the doomed will be told that you, meaning those people who worshipped those idols, they will be told that your gods have clearly denied your claims. So now you can neither ward off the punishment nor get any help. And whoever of you does wrong, we will make them taste horrible punishment. Then ayat number 20 is वमा अरसलना कबलका मिनल मुरसलीना इल्ला इन्नहुम लयअकुलून अत्ताआमा व यमशून फिल अस्वाक वजअलना बाज़कुम लिबाज़िन फितनतन अतस्बिरून व काना रब्बुका बसीरा. So it means that we never sent any messenger before you, a prophet who did not eat food or go about in the market, like these people are saying that why does this prophet does that. So Allah is saying that the previous messengers also did the same and go about in the marketplaces. We have made some of you a trial for others. Will you not then be patient? And your Lord is all seeing. Then ayat number 21 is وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ لَا يَرْجُونَ لِقَاءَنَا لَوْلَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْنَا الْمَلَائِكَةُ أَوْ نَرَى رَبَّنَا لَقَدِ اسْتَكْبَرُوا فِي أَنفُسِهِمْ وَعَتَوْا عُتُوًّا كَبِيرًا. It means that those who do not expect to meet us say that if only angels were sent down to us or we could see our Lord. They have certainly been carried away by their arrogance and have entirely exceeded all their limits by saying all those things that they have crossed all their limits. Ayat number 22 is Yawma yarawna al-malaikata la bushra yawma izil lil mujrimina wa yaquluna hijram mahjura. So it means that but on the day they will see the angels, meaning the time of their death, or on the judgment day, there will be no good news for the wicked who will cry, keep away from us. So angels will say all good is forbidden from you on that day when they will die, or on judgment day they will be told that all good is forbidden for you. Ayat number 23 is وَقَدِمْنَا إِلَى مَا عَمِلُوا مِنْ عَمَلٍ فَجَعَلْنَاهُ هَبَاءً مَنْثُورًا. It means that then we will turn to whatever good deeds they did, reducing them to scattered dust. So whatever good deeds they did in this world, that's going to be, thrown away like scattered dust. Ayat number 24 is Ashabul Jannati Yawma izin khairu mustaqarran wa ahsanu maqila. It means that, but on that day, the residents of the paradise will have the best settlement and finest place to rest. And the last ayat for today is ayat number 25. وَيَوْمَ تَشَقَّقُ السَّمَاءُ بِالْغَمَامِ وَنُزِّلَ الْمَلَائِكَةُ تَنزِيلًا. It means that watch for the day the heavens will burst with clouds and the angels will be sent down in successive ranks. So these were the ayahs for this weekend. Inshallah next weekend I'll continue further. Fi aman Allah.